Greek chicken burgers are a delightful twist on the traditional hamburger. This recipe combines the savory flavors of Mediterranean cuisine with the juicy goodness of a chicken burger. Using ground chicken as the base, these burgers are elevated with ingredients like crumbled feta cheese, fresh spinach, and a blend of aromatic spices. To prepare, begin by mixing ground chicken with chopped spinach, crumbled feta cheese, minced garlic, and a sprinkle of oregano, salt, and black pepper. Form the mixture into patties, making sure they hold together well. Heat a grill or a large skillet over medium heat and cook the patties until they are golden brown and fully cooked through, about 6 to 7 minutes per side. Serve the Greek chicken burgers on toasted buns, topped with slices of ripe tomato, crisp lettuce, and a tangy tzatziki sauce. For a complete meal, pair these burgers with a side of Greek salad or roasted vegetables. The combination of flavors and textures in this dish is sure to make it a favorite. Not only are Greek chicken burgers delicious, but they are also a healthier alternative to traditional beef burgers, offering a lighter option without compromising on taste. Enjoy this easy-to-make and flavorful recipe for your next meal.